me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor.
Hi, hello, Katia Valino. Yes, I'm here. Are you guys here for the first time? My name is Katia Valino. I am a Toronto-based lifestyle blogger. We talk about anything that adds value to your life. Yes. So, if this is your first time, do me a favor. Click on that red button that says subscribe and also click on the notification bell so you'll know when I uploaded a video. And for you all returning service, I love you guys so much. Thank you for coming back. So today we are talking about feminine. Today we are talking about feminine hygiene. Toast. If you love me and love this channel, please click the share button so that we can get along. Okay? Yeah, so feminine hygiene. There are so many things going on out there about feminine hygiene. You guys know that usually I do video based on calls, on request. Most of my videos are based on request. So today we are talking about how to keep your vajayjay clean, extra clean. And I want you guys to know that vajayjay does not need a lot of things inside. It's a self-cleaning oven. It cleans itself out. So whenever you clean, don't go right inside. I have done a similar video in the past about this, and I think it's about a year and a half ago. So I am repeating something similar to that. So your vag is a self-cleaning oven, and this is why you get discharge on your panties, underwear. If you are not getting any discharge, you might want to go see your doctor because it's not cleaning properly. It needs to clean properly, and every individual needs to understand the smell of their vag because everybody smells different because of the food we eat. If you eat a lot of sugar and carbs, definitely yours is going to smell different. If you eat a lot of veggies and pineapples, gooey, yes, yummy, it's going to be yummy, right? So fruits, especially pineapples and berries, are awesome for you. So coming down to cleaning, you don't want to use something that will alter the pH balance of your vag. I was reading a magazine and then I saw where they're talking about douche. Telling you honestly, I don't even believe that in this day and age that people still use douche. When you use douche, believe me, you are going to dry the crap out of yourself because you are altering the pH balance of your vag. Your pH balance should be anywhere from 3.5 to 4.5. So be careful, do not alter the pH balance of your vag because when you alter the pH balance of your vag, you are making yourself prone to STDs, to yeast infection, to all kinds of diseases. You don't want to go there. There is a limit as to what you should put inside there. Just use water to clean it out. Somebody has asked me before that if they don't put soap, if they don't use soap, how sure am I that it's not going to smell? Hello, it's you, it's your body, but I'm telling you what is good. When you put soap down there, it's going to make it extra dry. Water, lukewarm water, is very good to wash down there. And if you are in your period and you think that the smell is a little bit stronger, add just a little bit of cider vinegar, just teeny wee, half teaspoon in a cup of water and use it to clean down there. Your vag is you're not going to be walking around expecting your vag to be smelling like a bouquet of roses because it's not going to work. All those strong perfume alters the pH balance of your vag. So if you're very curious about the smell of your vag, you can pick up one of these from the drugstore. It's a cleansing cloth. Yes, it's vag cleansing antiseptic wipe. It's going to leave down there smelling a little bit better as per being strong. They are individually wrapped. I'm not being paid for this, so you can pick up anything like this from the drugstore. This one is live. This is only $3 in Canada. There are different brands. Look at it, comes individually packed. I'm going to open up one to show you exactly what it looks like. So this is it. You just open it up. It's just like a facial wipe or baby wipe. Just open it up and use it to wipe down there. It has a little bit of fragrance that is not going to harm the pH balance of your vag. Every woman, I recommend, should carry this along. Even when you go to the bathroom, wipe from front to back. Front to back, yes. This is very recommendable. Oh. It's very, very nice. This one is how many pack? How many? I don't know, but it depends anyways. All I'm telling you is that it's not expensive. You can pick this up. Do not put soap down there. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. And most importantly, drink lots and lots of water. When you drink a lot of water, your vag is able to clean itself from the inside to the outside. I hope that this answers your question. Thank you guys so much, and remember to subscribe and share the video. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Bye. Au revoir.
Original, pumping on me high grade sipping. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one.